Pipedrive versus Como. Which one is better? Are you choosing between Pipedrive and Como in 2025? Let's compare these CRM tools to help you decide which fits your needs best. Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM designed to streamline lead management and sales processes. For its key features, we have visual sales pipelines, email integration, activity reminders, and customizable dashboards. It has high marks for ease of use, 4.5 on 5, and customer support 4.4 on 5. For pricing, it starts at $14 per user per month with a free trial available. Como, formerly known as Ammo CRM, focuses on conversational sales and integrates messaging platforms. For its key features, it has a multi-channel communication, email, chat, or social media. It has a sales pipeline management, a task automation, and customizable dashboards. For user ratings, we have positive feedback for value for money and functionality. For pricing, it starts at about $15 per user per month with a free trial available. So for comparison, Pipedrive excels in traditional sales pipeline management. Como offers integrated multi-channel communication beneficial for businesses engaging customers across various platforms. Both platforms are user-friendly, but Pipedrive's interface is often praised for its simplicity. And Pipedrive supports over 400 integrations, while Como's integration options are more limited. In summary, choose Pipedrive for a straightforward sales-centric CRM experience and opt for Como if multi-channel communication and conversational sales are priorities. Thanks for watching.